Hyperhydration, or excessive sweating, makes us blush and feel ashamed. Some products such as tomatoes, cabbage or coffee increase sweating, and make the smell of the sweat stronger and sharper. However, there are products that can minimize this feature of the human body. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most effective products that can give your body a pleasant aroma. Its antimicrobial properties constrain the growth of bacteria, while the lauric acid in its composition destroys the pungent odor. Of course, the sweat itself won't disappear. It's recommended to apply the oil to the armpit area 1-2 times per day, after taking a shower. Additionally, oil affects the whole body, and even helps with breathing if consumed with food. 2. Lemon and other citrus fruits. Armpit odors aren't the only thing that antiseptic properties of lemon help to eliminate. Just like coconut oil, lemon juice can control bad breath caused by harmful bacteria. Drinking a glass of lemon water in the morning, providing that your stomach can handle it, can help control the issue. Another option is to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon, rub it underneath the feet or armpits, let it dry, and take a shower. 3. Fenugreek seeds. The seeds of this plant act as an antioxidant. Not only do they eliminate toxins from the body, but they also prevent infections that cause bad smells to spread. In order to get the desired result, dilute 1 teaspoon of seeds with boiled water and let it brew. The brew can be ingested after 6-8 hours. The seeds can also be added to tea. 4. Neem leaves. Neem or Azadirachta indica is a valuable medicinal herb, which has long been used in Ayurvedic medicine. Its leaves have antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic effects. Thanks to these things, neem promotes complete removal of bacteria and toxins that cause unpleasant odors and reduces sweating. You can use it the same way as you would fenugreek seeds. Turn the powder from neem leaves to mush with the help of water, apply it to the armpits, and leave it there for a few minutes. Rinse the mush when taking a shower or a bath. Perform this procedure 3 times a week for a better result. 5. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass juice contains a large amount of protein, vitamin C, B12, B6, folic acid. Moreover, this is a powerful natural antioxidant that makes it very effective when fighting unnecessary body odor. You can eat it fresh 40 grams per day, or as a powder 3 grams per day. 6. Parsley. Parsley is a popular folk remedy for treating unpleasant body odor. It's the high content of chlorophyll and its fresh aroma that give it a deodorizing effect. This herb cleanses the body and fights bacteria that make the body smell bad. Research showed that parsley can successfully fight sulfur compounds. You can either use parsley in salads, or hot dishes, or brew its dried stems and leaves in order to get rid of bad body odor. 7. Sage. Sage contains flavonoids such as apigenin, diosmetin, and luteolin. Moreover, the composition of the plant has vitamins, phytoncides, and other compounds. Sage has several healing properties such as hemostatic, expectorant, diuretic, choleretic, anti-inflammatory, astringent and antibacterial, thanks to this concentration of nutrients. This plant's leaves and flowers can help to fight off sweating. They can be used in infusions and decoctions, and can even be added to a bath and applied to the body. However, you should be careful because a high concentration of biologically active substances can cause side effects. 8. Mint. Mint has a soothing property. Using this product reduces the number of impulses sent to the sweat glands, which makes the body emit a smaller amount of secretion. Mint can be consumed fresh, dried, or as an essential oil both on the inside and outside of the body. When used topically, it has an anti-inflammatory effect and covers the body with a pleasant scent. 9. Cinnamon. Adding cinnamon to food is a good habit to adopt. It's famous for its ability to eliminate bad smells in the mouth. If consumed daily, it starts to influence the body's odor and helps to get rid of excessive sweating. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains organic acids and tannin. That's why, just like sage, it has astringent properties that help to fight excessive sweating and prevent the growth of bacteria. It is helpful for the feet, body and even the mouth. Drink green tea daily to get a better result. Apart from reducing sweating, this tea has a beneficial effect on metabolism and is useful for those who want to stay slim. 11. Rosemary. Rosemary is able to block the growth of bacteria that cause an unpleasant odor. It contains chlorophyll and menthol that have a deodorizing effect. The lack of zinc in the body causes excessive sweating. Since rosemary contains zinc, this plant compensates for the lack of this chemical element. You can take baths with rosemary, or dilute a few drops of essential oil with 100 grams of water and wipe the armpits with the solution.